Hey, if you want to correctly install your two plastic feet into your PlayStation 5 Slim, first of all, you have to rotate your PlayStation and the side without this PlayStation logo right here. And as you can see on the right side and the same on the left side, you can actually find two inputs. So let's start from this right side. Let's grab this plastic stand and put it just like this and press on it. And that's how it looks from this side. As you can see, it is not moving, so it means that we actually correctly input this feed. The same do with the left one. So put it like this, and now just press on it. And now it is actually inside. So now we can rotate our device and try to put it on this side. And as you can see, right now everything is fine. And that's basically it. If you are looking for other videos, just take a look for my YouTube channel. Right now, please subscribe. Bye bye.